Investment is a long haul. Never get too greedy and never get too scared. Isn't it right? Whenever it comes to investment, either we are very scared to invest because we think we will lose money, or we become very greedy and we do not sell the stock at the right time. A lesson like this and a lot of other lessons you're going to get in this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 7 unmissable lessons to learn from Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the Warren Buffett of India. Hello and welcome to Freedom App's YouTube channel. Now let's get started and know about Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the self-made billionaire, the only Indian investor who went from rupees 5,000 to 500 crores by just investing in stocks. Born on July 1960, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala passed away on 14th August 2002 at the age of 62. Well, let me tell you that Rakesh started his investing journey 36 years back at the Dalal Street. Rakesh was born in a middle-class family to an Indian tax officer. Rakesh always dreamt of being rich. That's why he decided to start investing in stocks while he was in college. He started off with rupees 5,000 only. As of 5th July 2022, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's net worth stood at 5 billion, which is about 39,527 crore rupees. And in the previous year, his net worth stood at 4.6 billion. So it means that his net worth increased by a 15% in a span of 1 year. Isn't it impressive? According to a data by Trendlin, he invested in the following stocks. His stocks included the likes of Titan Company, Tata Motors, Star Health and Elite Insurance Company, Metro Brands, Fortis Healthcare, Nazara Technologies, Federal Bank, Delta Corp, DB Realty and Tata Communications. His most valuable listed holding is watch and jewelry maker Titan Company, with holding value at rupees 8,830.9 crore, followed by Star Health and Elite Insurance Company with rupees 4,957.1 crores and Metro Brands at rupees 2,391.3 crores. So now that you know the history of Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, you also know what stocks he invested in, how much money he had, what was his net worth. Straight, let's head to the 7 unmissable lessons to be learned from this self-made billionaire. The first lesson that he taught us was that Bhav Bhagwan hai, which means price is God. According to the big bull, always respect the price. At every price, there is a buyer and there is a seller. Only future gets to decide what is right. So I will just explain it to you. If you feel that one stock's price is just not right and you just feel that, oh, it's never gonna grow, I'm not gonna invest in it, never make that mistake. The price that you predicted as wrong might become right in future. So always respect the price. There's the best price to buy a stock, there's a best price to sell off the stock. So always respect the price. Second lesson that he gave was be an optimist. He always used to say that one has to fall under the category of opportunistic and optimistic to become an investor. So a person who has a positive attitude and who believes in seizing every opportunity that he or she gets can become a successful investor. Third lesson is about the emotional investment. He always used to say that mixing emotion with logic is a sure shot way to lose as an investor. For example, he said that rather than going for your favorite stock, one should always analyze well. So the point to be noted here is that if you're feeling like investing in a stock, don't do that. First analyze the stock well and then you invest in the stock. So mixing emotion with logic is a sure shot way to lose money. Fourth lesson that he gave to everyone was that don't borrow to invest. Well, as I have already talked in so many videos that once you have your money with you, your salary or your earning from your business, you should always take out money for your needs, money for your wants, and always keep some money for investing. But never borrow money to invest in stock market, because markets can remain irrational for most of the time than a being can be rational. Fifth lesson that he gave was about the risk. Whenever we think about stock market, we are always scared of the risk, or we are too much overconfident and we want to take big risks. So one line that he said about the risk was that invest only when one can afford to lose money in short term. Let me explain. For example, today if you start investing in a stock, you would be thinking that in 1 year my money would grow a lot, in 2 years my money would grow a lot, and maybe after 2 years when the money doesn't grow well, you just sell off that stock at a lower price at loss. But what if the stock goes up after 3 years? So if you are ready to lose your money in short term, then only you should risk your money in stock market. Sixth is that you cannot be right all the time. Yes, that's right. He says that it's impossible to be right about a stock all the time. It's just that your gains should outnumber your losses. For example, if you have gained money 15 times in stock market and you have lost money 5 times in stock market, when you subtract 5 from 10, it should be 5. So 5 times you should have gained. Seventh is patience. Patience is one virtue which actually comes naturally to a person, but when in stock market, one should learn to develop patience. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala always said that if it would have been in my hand, I wouldn't have sold even a single stock of mine. He said that he had seen so many stock market cycles that he would never get scared by stock market corrections, by market going down, or get too happy by market going up. So patience is one thing that you should have if you want to earn maximum amount of money by investing in stocks. According to him, bull markets are like test matches. You need to have patience. They are not the 50-50 or 20-20 T20 matches which can be played soon. Jhunjhunwala believed that India is entering a growth phase with a double-digit run rate this year and for coming decades. So if you are thinking of investing in stock market, if you're just a beginner or you have already started, let me tell you that investment is the only thing that is going to make you rich in future. We have already talked about the power of compounding also in so many of our videos. If you want to become a better money manager, if you want to learn more things about personal finance, stock market, mutual funds, download the Freedom app. The link is in the description below. Once you download the Freedom app, you will learn a lot of lessons on personal finance. You will get to know about new businesses you can do and new farming techniques as well. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have liked this video, share it with your friends and family. I hope you have learned all the 7 unmissable lessons from the Warren Buffett of India, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Well, his legacy will continue to live forever. On that note, this is your host Sugandh Sharma signing off.